Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to help you to determine the Lewis structure of AlH3 molecule. It's a chemical formula of aluminium hydride. For drawing the Lewis structure, let us count the total number of valence electrons. We have one aluminium atom having 3 valence electrons and 3 hydrogen atoms having 1 valence electron. Now that gives us a total of 6 valence electrons. For the arrangement of atoms, we will place aluminium in the center and arrange hydrogen atoms around it. To show a bond between these atoms, we will place pair of electrons, and doing that, we have used up all our valence electrons. Now aluminium and boron from group 3A are exceptions to octet rule. Some compounds that they form instead follow sextet rule, meaning that they form stable compounds with 6 electrons in the outermost shell. AlH3 is one such example. Now all the atoms has complete outer shell in this Lewis structure, so let us count the formal charge of each atom just to confirm that this is the best possible Lewis structure. For aluminium, we have 3 valence electrons minus 0 non-bonding electrons minus 6 bonding electrons divided by 2, that will give us a formal charge of 0. Thus, for each atom present in this structure has 0 formal charge, and this is the final Lewis structure of AlH3. For more such videos, make sure to subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.